In this video, you'll learn how to create a link in your bio using Stan Store. By following these steps, you will successfully link your social media accounts to your profile, making it easier for your audience to find you online. Begin by navigating to your Stan Store dashboard. Once you're on the main page, look for the option labeled My Store. This section contains all the settings related to your store profile. After accessing My Store, locate the pencil icon next to your profile photo or logo. This icon represents the edit function, allowing you to modify your profile settings. Click on this pencil icon to enter the editing mode. Once in editing mode, find the social media section. This area typically includes platforms like Instagram and X, among others. Hover your mouse over this section to reveal the different social media icons available for editing. Select the icon field corresponding to the social media account you want to link. For example, if you want to link your Instagram account, this action will allow you to input your username for that particular platform. When prompted, enter only your username in the provided text field. Do not include the full link, as Stan Store will automatically generate the complete link for you. For instance, if your Instagram username is your username, without any additional characters or links. After entering your username, locate the Save button, usually found at the bottom of the editing interface. Click Save to confirm your changes. This action will finalize the edits you made to your social media links. Once saved, Stan Store will automatically create the full links for the social media icons you edited. This means your audience can now easily access your profiles through the links generated in your bio. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.